Hi guys, Parm at Car Audio and welcome back to the channel. We have recently just released a new brand of air struts and they are XLO.
Hey. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure.
First kit that we're going to be actually physically fitting is going to be on our R129. 129 is already bagged, as you've probably already previously seen, but this is a kit that I want to fit on the car just to make sure that the kits are prim and proper, make sure they fit straight out the box and make sure there's no niggles. Now, I've already got the kit out the box and to be honest with you, I'm totally blown away by the quality and everything that you get with the kit. So let me just start off by telling you what's included in the kit. Now, you will always get 4 threaded body shock absorbers. All our shocks have damping adjustment, which is adjusted from the top. And you're obviously going to get 4 airbags. For the fronts, you'll get leader lines. You get the adjuster knobs for damping adjustment. And you also get all your airline fittings and a spanner for the adjustment on the shocks as well. Now, threaded body shock absorbers allow you to lengthen and shorten the strut according to what kind of pressures you want to run and what kind of drop you want as well. So that is a plus point. So we've got camber adjustable top mounts on every application where possible. I think it gives you up to -3 degrees of camber adjustment. The adjuster knobs do actually pull out as well. So if you don't want to leave them in there, but I would probably leave them in there. It just saves a load of dirt and dust getting into the adjustment in the shock itself. Here we have the rear shocks. Got a little bump stop in there. No doubt I'll end up probably taking that out. No, I'll probably leave it in there to be honest. But yeah, all looks very, very nice. Very good quality. Now, one thing I particularly like about these kits, not like, I actually love, is, let me just show you. All of the bag mounts are billet machined. All the mounts are machined from one block of metal rather than having brackets that are all kind of welded together. It's all one piece, so that keeps the strength and integrity 10 out of 10 on the front and on the rear. Now, the R129 does actually come with a single bellow on the back and a double bellow on the front. But yeah, other than that, I'm super excited. Let's get this kit on the car. We'll show you some of the install process and I'll report back to you and let you know, number one, how it drives, how it performs, and it's going to do what it should do, make your car go up and down. So we're a few weeks on and the sun's been blaring for the last few weeks. So I've been doing some major mileage in the SL and I'm just going to get it back up in the air and make sure there's no issues, make sure there's been no bag rubbing anywhere, just so that personally I'm 100% sure that it's right not only for you guys but right for us as well. So let's get the car in the air and give it a quick once over. So yeah, let's have a quick look. Start with the rear. So quite commonly on all Mercs, if you're not careful with what bag you use, it's quite common that they will rub on your drive shaft. But looking at the XLO kit, actually, let me get a torch. Anyway, let's have a look at the rears first of all more closely. So, don't know if this will show up on camera, but there are absolutely no rub marks on this bag. Let's check the other side. So plenty of space between the bag and the drive shaft. and there's no rub marks on the bag, no cracking on the bags. The washer here has got a slit in it, so you can actually just have a back forth or left to right movement depending on how you position the washer, so you can make sure that it's not rubbing on anything. But yeah, as you can see, there's no rub marks, no wear marks so far. You know what? I'm happy with that. Let's move on to the front. Now I've had to take off the front wheels just so that we can get a good look behind and stuff. So let's check it out. Okay, there's no signs of any bags rubbing on this. No cracking on the bags. The XLO bags are actually multi-layered, so I think they're made up of 4 layers, and they're actually constructed out of one-piece rubber rather than being seam joined on the inside, so that's always a plus point as well. No rub marks on that one, happy days. And also on this side, no rub marks on this side neither. So there's no rub marks on the bag or actually on the chassis as well. So that's good news. So if we have a look at the brackets on the actual bags themselves, you can loosen off these nuts here, okay, and you can actually slide the bag left and right. You can also rotate it so you get a back and forth movement. You can sit the bag where you need it to sit, and you can make sure that it's not actually rubbing anywhere, which is what we did on initial installation. So the whole idea of today was to just get it up in the air, give it a once over, and you know what? I'm happy with that. Guys, these kits are ready to go, man. Listen, get in touch. Let's get your Mercs bagged. I'll get the wheels back on, we'll get it on the floor, and we'll show you some airing out. Just another thing that I want to point out, if you have a look at the pressures that I'm running at the moment, there's still about 28 psi left in the front, so it can actually go a lot lower. And also in the back as well, I've still got 20 odd psi in the rear bags. It's just that I've kept the struts a little bit long, so when I air out, it just stops where I want it to stop. But yeah, so the kit does go a little bit lower than what it is at the minute. So yeah, happy days, man. Now, the sun's still shining, so I'm gonna go for another drive and just enjoy the sun and enjoy this lovely SL. These kits are straight bolt-on kits out of the box, very, very, very minimal modifications required. As a matter of fact, on this particular application, there is no modification required. Very easy to fit. Whether you want us to do it, you know, we've got a fully equipped workshop, so we can either do it for you or you can do it as a DIY fit, whatever suits you best. If you do want more information about our kits, you can either get in touch via the socials or give us a call, pop in store, drop us an email, whichever suits you. We do have most of the Mercedes kits in stock, the R129, the W124s, the 190 Mercs, the W126s. All of those kits are in stock, even some of the classic BMWs, we have all the kits in stock. So yeah, hit us up and we'll get you sorted out.